In this type of business, there's all types of disasters that happen.
Hurricane Ian continues its catastrophic
massive
rampage.
blaze, and they're nowhere close.
Toxic mold.
Huge swells.
Devastating.
Raging water destruction.
Horrific scene.
How quickly can you get your staff up to speed in order to handle that disaster? Businesses are struggling. It's how do you keep your employees? How do you keep them inspired? How do you keep them motivated? Time is everything when it comes to a restoration company because you're fighting all the elements. Not only the existing weather of cold and rain and everything you're dealing with. That is why instant access and training is so important for a company, because when disaster strikes, you have to be prepared. You will fail over time.
We don't stop. We have all this curriculum, courses, but it's even more than that. It's the tools. My name is Lisa Lavender. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the Restoration Technical Institute. I was an accountant before I was a restorer. Your company, your sweat equity, that's an asset. I felt very stressed out about not understanding things. I went to my husband one day, I need your help, I can't do this. And he smugly looked up at me and just said, then go learn it. Then I went to my office and took a deep breath and realized he was right. But I started to have a very clear vision and wanted to work more with other restorers and help them. That was the birth of Restoration Technical Institute in 2012.
The DTS is digital training. It applies to anyone that wants to expand their knowledge.
You can actually start engaging for free. We have a variety of free course offerings and we're constantly rotating those out. That's going to give you access. Then we have the basic, very expansive, everything from fundamentals of cleaning, work loading, drying, categories of water, mold remediation, I can go on. And then when you add to the plus, you get an additional
Yeah, I want to say that we're not robot chat people.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I can help you with that.
What has the digital training solution provided your guys' company?
A lot, actually.
I need you to just picture this.
It's actually very simple. When you get out to the job site, all you need to do is pull out that smartphone, observe the module, learn, apply that knowledge in the field, and now your job's done. That is just-in-time learning. All I can say is, in life, you never stop learning. But truly, the time to stop learning is when you're no longer breathing.